little bit earlier today, set up right over here. Huntsville Public Radio Station, WLRA 89.3. Set up right over here, Huntsville Public Radio Station, 90.9 WJAB. Two public radio stations in one town. Two 100,000 watt full service stereo public radio stations in one town. Usually public radio is about 1,500 watts in some little town in a library, right? And we got two of them. And both of them are going through a lot of a bad time right now because their funding has been cut off. Not through any fault of their own, it just happened, right? It's just like having bad weather come through and wreck your house, okay? So if you be thinking about them, besides all the good things you've done for this foundation, when you have a chance, and those stations ask you for a donation, I would appreciate it if you would find a way to put a little bit of money into them. Because they do a lot with very little. And they're going to do a lot with a lot less now. So, that's all I'm asking. If you have a chance, be aware we have two public radio stations, and they both do the best they can with what comes in, but about 25% of their funding is gone with the wind. That's the blues, folks. That's the blues. This song's the theme song to my blues radio show, which this month has been on WLRA for 36 years now. 36 years. I want you full on, Lord. I know you don't love it, baby. That's all right.
That's a sick.
Thank you, public radio fans. Thank you. Let me have a little candy. No, you know I can't forget the microwave, baby. We put your account out back in the trash. All my boogie let me have no place to do. And all my boogie, got other boogies of all. Microwave, you say? We put our romance in the recycle bin. I did all my boogie. I did all my boogie. I did all my boogie. Bring it on. night boogie, you know you ain't cool. You the all night boogie, you got nobody to be. You the all night boogie, at least you know you free. Way back in the day when we started the Nukes out, which was in 1989, we played a few places around town before we finally wound up downtown at a place called the Coffee Clyde Bar. Oh Lord, the Coffee Clyde Bar. There are stories written about that place that are not true, and they're not near as good as the ones that are true. Oh, that was the place. We started playing this song in there, and people started singing along with it right off the bat. So we kept playing it. We're going to play it tonight. Singing is optional. I know you're tired. When I got a damn, you can't take what you love, Ladies and gentlemen, playing the bass for you, Mr. Rick Bradley, and Native Hunt Radio. Playing the drum for you, Native Hunt Radio, Mr. Darryl Kidd. And playing the guitar for you, I'm Dave Anderson. I'll be in trouble for that now. We're going to turn this over to Darryl Kidd, let him play it for you. He plays all kinds of stuff way